This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're making a baby doll sleeping bag, and I want to be sure that it's long enough so that this baby doll will fit inside when the little girl will be playing with her. So the best thing to start with is just a measurement of the doll. She is 18 inches long, so we'll want to make sure that the sleeping bag is approximately 18 inches long to give her room. We'll need to add a little bit for seam allowances, so we'll do 20 inches long. Set her aside and measure out our fabric. So we'll have a little bit of room to spare. This width is about the width that we will need it. It's 13 inches. So we'll plan to make the bag 21 by 13 inches, and that should give us plenty of room for the little doll to fit right inside. So that's how we've determined our measurements for our bag.